Guys, so today we're talking about Kos lettuce. In fact, any type of lettuce. For me, they are so bright and cheerful. You can grow them in anything, whether you've got an old bath, whether you've got a pot in a hanging basket, anything that can hold the plant and be able to grow it. They need 4 to 5 hours sunlight a day, and once you've got the little seedlings in, they are happy. The little perpetual lettuce, which is part of the Kos family, I love it because you can pick the outsides of the leaves, so as you're needing for a salad, or you can pick the whole thing depending on the demand of the family, you know. We've got these little frilly reds over here. We've got the butter lettuce, and all of these don't require getting to a massive head. But today we're talking about Kos. A lovely sweet lettuce, not as bitter as some of them, quick growing, I mean really quick growing. Within a couple of weeks from a little seedling, you'll be able to start picking. And today when we pick this guy, I want to take the whole baby out because I want to keep it together, and I'm going to be making a really special breakfast dish. So when we go in, we want to get the guy and we want to get right down to the base and cut the whole baby off. And there we go, one little Kos lettuce that I've got a whole future planned for it. All right, guys, so we're going to be making a breakfast. What is it going to be? It's going to be a breakfast salad. Yeah, a breakfast salad with some Kos lettuce, and it's kind of got our twist on it, which is yummy as usual. And what we're going to start off with is the dressing. And this is probably our twist on a Caesar salad. So to start off with, we need an egg. And this beautiful egg is from Martha and George. George is very, very talented because George can also lay eggs. And these eggs are from our 2 homegrown beautiful chickens. Okay, what I am going to need is a bowl because I only want the egg yolk. So just pop it in there. Oh, okay, that should do it. Egg yolk into there. I just need a board, and what we're going to do is the power ingredient in my dressing is going to be some anchovies. Now, this is optional. You don't have to put them in, but they are just so yummy in that saltiness. So I just give them a bit of a squish here. In they go. All right. Squeeze of a lemon and a wee bit of salt and pepper. There we go. Yum. And then we blitz this up and give it a good whisk. And you want to really get into this because the friction actually gets the egg yolk mixed in with all of these other yummy ingredients that we've got in here. Once we've got this started to get mixed, we then add in about half a teaspoon of Worcester sauce. That should do it. Mix it up. And now we start adding in very small amounts of some olive oil, and do this little by little, guys. Okay, so a little bit in there, that's it. And give it a good mix. All right, mixed in nicely. Let's have a taste. So we're going to put that guy aside and let's get sorted out with this lettuce. We're going to take this baby and we're going to just chop off the base of his stem. Now, keep a close eye on here because we want the lettuce to still stay together. So we actually want the main stem in here still. We don't want it all just to fall apart. So where you cut it is really important, okay? So I'm going to chop it off just there. That's what we want. And then we're going to give this guy a good wash. Alrighty, 1 times beautiful Kos, still intact. And now what we're going to do is we'll just recycle the same knife which we had the anchovies on, and all we're going to do is take it and we're going to cut it in half all the way up, straight through there, okay? Yummy, yummy, perfect. So these little guys, these 2 halves are going to go straight into a pan with a bit of hot olive oil, and we're actually going to wilt them down because this is about breakfast. once I've turned them over onto the other side, you can see that they've wilted out beautifully. Look at that steam emerging from them. And we don't want them cooked, we just want them wilted. From here, let's get them straight onto our serving plate. Come along, straight on here. And then, in the same pan, we're gonna fry our egg. And we've thrown in a few bits of bacon on the side, and that's gonna be yummy because it's a typical breakfast. Our egg is nearly ready to go, and then we pile it all up. Oh, and here we have it, guys. A little bit of bacon. Take our beautiful dressing, and you want to add a bit on top, and then a bit on top again. You know what I mean? So, and get that really into the grooves of your lettuce. Our egg on top. And the last of our bacon bits. Crack-a-doodle. Croutons. And then the rest of our dressing. And that is a breakfast salad.